Just a quick little thing I'd like to say before I start. Um, I just recently got this book, the Cube Introduction to Rubik, and it's a really good book. I'm reading it right now. I'm about fifth of the way, and starting. I'm about fifth of the way, and it tells a lot of interesting facts about the cube, different kinds of puzzles, and how it started, and all the crazes and stuff. And it's a really good book. Gets you sucked in, and you should get it. And I'm using my iPhone iCube timer, iPhone/iPod Touch app with my iTouch, so I use it a lot. Alright. $17.88. Wow, that's weird. It's a personal best right there. And just to let you guys know, I use a store-bought. If you guys know any websites that I can buy DIY or anything like that with a credit card, not a PayPal, I don't have a PayPal and I can't make one, just tell me, leave it in the comments, it would be very helpful. That's 28.63. $28.09. 27.21. And I believe this is my last one. Yep, this is my last one. $25.35. The average is 26.88. Good. So, buy this book, and if you could tell me where I could buy a DIY or a dancing or anything that's good, please leave it in the comments, and thank you for watching.